Okay, hey everyone, it's a new day, and this past week we have been having temperatures in the mid 80s, which is so above normal in my area. My body is not acclimated to it, and so I really haven't been out in the garden too much, but I have been working on moving the soil and rocks where the main water line was. Now, I'm not going to be filming that. I'll just like film, like if I'm walking around and be like, this is the update on it or something, or look how much I did. Simply because moving rocks and soil sucks. It sucks. It's a sucky job. And I'm sure the expression that it sucks is written all over my face when I'm doing it too. So it's not something I really want to record, and I mean, come on, how riveting would it be having a video of me moving soil and rocks, right? Not that too exciting. But anyway, I got a fun little package here. This is from Aimerla, and Aimerla is a company based out of Quebec, Canada, and they send me some goodies once in a while for the garden. I know last year they had gardenealers out, and we actually did a giveaway on my channel, and there were 3 winners. So if you guys are watching, I hope you're enjoying it and it's working. I know mine's great when I do use it, but look at the package I got now. The tool set. Yeah, the tool set. So I gotta open this up and I'm gonna check out everything inside, because this is like a gardener's dream right here. Right, step outside, enjoy life. I'm working on it, honey. Oh, gloves. Yay, because I needed gloves so bad. Awesome. I took these out. I like these because when I'm making videos and I have to use gloves, I don't want like gloves that draw attention to my hands too much. And yeah, these are a nice color and fit. They seem very lightweight too, and they have a waterproof fabric on the bottom too, like most gloves do, and it seems like it's very breathable up top. Hold on, just gotta stick my hand in there. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to that. That's great. Neat. So look at the logo, Aimerla. The I is a hammer and the L is an axe. Oh, and for people who love to be precise about their bulb planting, oh, this is a nice grip. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Nice. Thank y'all so much. This is, I'm surprised by this. It's not very round, it's more like ergonomic. Ooh, here's another shovel. Well, a hand spade, I should say. That's neat, okay. I could always use more of these. And you know what, these have some weight to them. They don't seem very lightweight and cheap either, okay? Nice. Okay, and here is a little handheld garden rake. Everything in the box is more handheld. But yeah, these are heavy duty. I mean, they're not like light, I'm sorry, they're not like heavy as in the sense like it'll be exhausting doing work, but they got some, feels like they got some strength to them. And I'm really impressed with the handle too. And it has like a rubber gripping too, so if your hands are sweating, it's not very like easily to be, you know, sliding out of your hands. Cool. Alright, and here is the next toy that I have. This looks more like a weeder. Ooh. Yeah, I feel like this can rip up some like dandelions if you get underneath there. And like this part can give it some leverage to pop up. Nice. Alright, here's another one. Rake. It's flat. It's not, well, it has a slight curve to it, but it doesn't have like the hooks, like the hook end like the other one does. So I guess it would be really neat to have this for like easy transplanting of like small annuals or perennials or something. Yeah. Okay, and here's the next toy. I like to say a toy. This looks severe. I'm not even familiar with this website and see what it says, but it looks like it has a very sharp edge there. Alright, and this is actually the toy that I have been really wanting and waiting for, because I think every gardener needs to have a good pair of these right here. Nice. Yes. Like, oh, it has a nice grip to it. None of my other clippers have that. Yes, I am loving these. That has a nice grip on it. It's not slippery at all. Awesome. Alright, and always, Aimerla has these cute tote bags. You could fit all your stuff in there. Like, I just threw most of the tools inside here, and I put some of the ones that I'm definitely going to be using soon on the outside, but you could also put water in here too, bottles of water. And also, I'm so thankful for the gloves. So, thank you very much, Aimerla, for sending this out. And right above the packaging, look at this lovely peach tree. Oh my word. So it just seems that this hot weather that we had this week pushed everything out of the ground, or like made everything go into bloom like this. And also, I just wanted to let you know that Aimerla has a 90-day warranty on all their stuff. So you just gotta click there to register it. It's like a little bit of history about like the company right there. Yeah, Winnie, she's great. She was a teacher, or still is. Matthew's an engineer. Loves spending time outside, and this is how they got a group. They got the idea to put the company together. The brand Aimerla in the summer of 2019. Aimerla is French for love it. Just for like our love for gardening and outdoors. So I'm losing some light here, but I got these clippers here and I'm going to put them to the test because I have some hydrangeas on standard that I think these would be really good. I just like doing that. That I just want to clip up and straighten up real quick. That's a nice job to do too, especially the hot day that we had. It's like I don't feel like doing anything extremely labor intensive. Okay, so this is the hydrangea on standard here. I have 3 of them lining the driveway. This first one here, you see these buds coming out? Those green little buds right here? Let me see. That shows that the hydrangea can be pruned right now, or it's like more safe. And we don't have any hard cold nights coming in our forecast anytime soon. So right now is a good time just to kind of go like above that node and clip it. Okay. So I'm going to go around this whole thing here first, and I'm just going to clip off the dead. And then I'll go back and reshape it. And take out any like small spindly type of branches as well. Actually, yeah, like this one here in the middle. These like small ones. You really don't need them here. They're just going to waste energy and probably not produce any blooms either. Neighbor's dog is out. Yeah, like this one right here. I'm just gonna cut like right there. This one is kind of just like being suckered into like the inside and like just crisscrossing with other ones. So I'm just gonna free up that space. These are like working really nice, by the way. They're very smooth to cut. Nice. Excellent. Hi, baby pepper. There you go, baby pepper. back there. Yeah, she comes up to me and wants attention and meows like that. And then if I go over near her, she runs away. Alright. Yeah, see, this is like a little spindly one. I'm just going to cut it down. This is another spindly one in here. So I'm just gonna take it down. And this is a hydrangea paniculata. So these can go through a pretty severe prune. Like, I'm not worried about this at all. Look at this branch right here. Yeah, that whole thing's going. Oops. There you go. I'll leave that one go. I know it looks like a bunch of twigs to you guys right now. I don't have like a solid background, so it kind of just blends in. But I did a nice job of getting rid of all the old like dead blooms that were on there from last year. Now, since these are lining my driveway and these can grow pretty like profusely, and I was aware of that when I planted it, I'm actually just gonna take the front of this and really like give it a hard prune down. Yeah. And I'm not worried about it because I know this plant is extremely resilient. Nice. Yeah, and you just want to like leave it open, and when you cut your hydrangea, just like leave it open to get some airflow in there. Cut all these like small little stems out or branches out. You don't need them. You know what? I could really just take this whole thing out. I'm just gonna cut this whole branch, this whole lower one right here, because it's gonna add some shape. And let's see if these scissors can handle that branch. Okay, glad they're sharp. Nice. It worked. Okay, now it's more like balanced. Okay, great. Yeah, the street lights are on now, so it's pretty dark, but I'm going to finish this one right here and the one that's up there because I can see, but I know the camera won't pick it up very well.